In data science and machine learning bootcamp, we'll be teaching you 7 minor projects as you can see in the screen. First will be Zomato data analysis, in which we are going to take data set of Zomato which is publicly available and do some EDA and make some prediction regarding different features. Second, we'll be working on Amazon review sentiment analysis. As you can see, there's Twitter sentiment analysis, Facebook sentiment. Like if you see comments and reactions of different people, you can identify whether they are happy, sad, angry. So we are going to do that for Amazon review. So NLP will be used in this. Next we'll be looking at COVID-19 data analysis. अभी COVID-21 हो गया है वैसे. So COVID-19 data analysis, we will see the data set which is publicly available and make some predictions related to it. Next will be malaria disease detection. It's a classical problem if you want to learn computer vision. So we'll be solving it with the help of CNN, which is a part of deep learning. Next we'll be working on MNIST data set, which is very popular, which helps you recognize digits among handwritten digits. So sorry, digits out of handwritten words. Will teach you that in this as well. Next we'll be working on stock price prediction. It will be done with the help of LSTM and GRU, and the last project will be predicting Titanic survivors. It's also a very classical problem but very important to learn from basic. Next we talk about some highlights of this bootcamp. As you know, it will be a 4 weeks bootcamp in which 12 sessions live will happen of 2 hours each, so total 24 hours of learning will be provided. You don't need to know anything in data science, machine learning, AI. Only prerequisite is that you need to have some working knowledge of Python, some basic coding experience, then only you can work from it. We will teach data science from very basics. We'll start from NumPy, Pandas, regression, logistic, linear, board, decision tree, random forest, and take you through all the theory and all the project that you need to learn in order to kickstart your data science journey. We will also talk about detailed syllabus in the next part of this video. You will also do at least 10 quizzes that will be given you after the session. You will do live in the session, sorry, not after the session, at the end of the session when we teach you everything. Then last of the session you will get to do a quiz in order to evaluate your learning. You will also be making 7 minor projects apart from theory, as I described all the projects in the previous part of this video, right? You will also get recording of all the live lecture. When the record session has happened, by the next day you will get the recording and you will have the access for lifetime. Okay. This is also a certification course. You will be getting 2 certificates. First, you can see on the screen, it's a certificate of completion that you have attended this bootcamp for a period of 4 weeks with Tathastu. Second will be an experience letter. This is a unique course provider will provide you an experience letter in which we will be detailing everything you have studied, all the projects you have made, so that you can use it as reference if it is asked by any company or college. I know certificate is not a great criteria, but what can you do? Many colleges and many companies ask for it. So whenever you are asked, you can show this as a proof. Apart from this, there will be a star performer award which will be provided only to one student of the whole batch, like 20-30 student. One will be getting the star performer award. So it will be evaluated on the basis of project submitted, quiz score, and as well as the group interview round that will happen in the last session. Regarding instructors are peers who have at least 1 year of experience on working on data science, machine learning project. They must be doing at least 5 to 10 projects. They must have some professional experience, some internship, etc. So we have a pool of very fine instructor who will give you individual support, take all your queries, provide you individual code support as well. If you have error in your code as well, that will also be provided. So anyone will be allocated to your batch depending on the availability of that instructor. Now we look at the session wise schedule of this bootcamp. In session 1, we are going to teach you NumPy and Pandas. So we will not teach Python in this. You have to know as a prerequisite Python. If you don't know Python, then you can check our Python bootcamp as well, in which we'll teach Python from zero and help you make 4 projects in 4 different libraries. Once you do that, then you can join this data science bootcamp. So first session, we are going to teach NumPy and Pandas. We'll teach you the basics, give you some basic practice assignment to evaluate your learning, whether you have actually learned it or not. There will also be a quiz at the end. In session 2, we'll be teaching linear regression. We'll teach you the basic mathematical models, statistics, intuition behind it, and give you some practice problem. There will also be a quiz at the end of this session. In session 3, we'll be teaching you logistic regression, the theory behind it, and we'll also work on the project of Titanic survivors prediction, and a quiz will also be given to you at the end of the session. In session 4, we'll be working on naive Bayes model along with NLP. In this session, we'll first learn the theory and how it works, and then we'll work on the Amazon review sentiment analysis, and a quiz will also be given to you at the end of the session. In session 5, we'll be studying decision tree, random forest. These are also very important ML algorithm. We'll do some practice problems and as well as a quiz after the session. In the next session, we'll be studying Zomato data analysis project. In this, we are going to take Zomato data set which is publicly available and make some predictions, EDA, etc. on it. In session 7, we'll be studying support vector machine. These are also very interesting concept that you need to know. You will be taught the theory, the practice problems, and a quiz will be given in the end. In session 8, we'll be working on COVID-19 data analysis project. We'll take the COVID-19 data set, pre-processes, clean it, and do all the processes and make some prediction on the basis of requirements of the project. Session 9, 10, and 11 will be dedicated to deep learning. We'll start with ANN, CNN, and RNN. There are two projects will be covered on two. First project will be covered in session 9, second will be in session 10, and there will be quizzes for each session as well. In session 12, which is also the last session, we will study what is LSTM, GRU, and how to use it in order to predict stock prices. It's a very important problem, very popular as well, so it will be a good opportunity for you to learn it. Once all these sessions are completed, you will given 2 to 3 days to complete your code, complete your projects, and a final group interview round will be conducted after a few days. And in this, all the certificates will be provided: the star performer, the workshop completion, bootcamp completion, as well as the experience letter will be provided. I hope I have given you all the information that you need, and we have also covered almost everything that you need to learn in order to kickstart your journey in data science. Not just the projects, the code. The main part is the individual doubt support, the guidance you will get from a mentor, peer, etc. That will be very, very helpful. If you want to join, you can see the date on our screens, but we keep starting new batches every month, every few weeks. So go to the description, you will find a link and check the latest date on which batch is starting. If you want to enroll, you can just go and fill a Google form. It's a simple detail form, and we'll contact you for further details. If you have any query, you can call us in 9456056603, and we will clear out all your doubt. So fees is very, very affordable. It's just 999. As you can see, in order to give incentives to good instructors, we have to charge some fees, and we have kept it so low so that every student can afford it. So if you are interested, I will really recommend you. If you want to learn data science, then I will really recommend you to join this bootcamp, because it's a very good feedback, and it will definitely help you succeed in your data science AI journey. Not succeed, but kickstart it. Okay.